Peace and love, family. So let's have a conversation of what's really going on in the body when the doctor says that you have high blood pressure, okay? Blood is life, all right? We need it to survive because it carries our oxygen, it carries nutrients, it carries hormones, and it carries it through these things called vessels, particularly our arteries and our veins. So when you get diagnosed with high blood pressure, the doctor's basically saying, listen, that vessel, that tunnel, that flow of blood is being blocked. What is it being blocked by? Arterial plaque, okay? This is basically a hardening of the arterial walls. So there's like a blockage within the blood vessel. So the blood is not flowing properly. This is why the heart basically has to work overtime and pump harder, hence the term high blood pressure, because it's increasing the volume of blood through the blood vessels in order for your body to get what it needs. Because again, everything that we need travels through the blood. So this is why I created the pressure and pulse tonic, because again, not only do 1 in 2 Americans get diagnosed with high blood pressure, too many people in the Black community got high blood pressure, okay? And this is happening through our diets. This is happening through, the chronic stress that we are not taking care of, all right? We are so used to being stressed out as a people that it's almost second nature to be stressed and to be okay with being stressed and not, take on any sort of stress management techniques. Pressure and pulse is going to help relax and widen the blood vessels, okay? So this is going to help lower the blood pressure naturally and allow the blood to flow freely throughout the vessels. Another great thing about the pressure and pulse that prescription drugs don't give you, okay, is that it's going to help dissolve that blockage, which is the arterial plaque. So once it's dissolved, then we get to avoid things like that double and that triple bypass surgery that you basically get down the line before you get, a heart attack or a stroke. Okay. Prescription drugs are, if you're taking them and they've helped you, that is amazing. It's better to do something than to do nothing. But keep in mind that prescription drugs are not helping to dissolve the arterial plaque. They're just helping relax the blood vessels so the blood can flow more freely. All right. So be mindful of how you're eating. Be mindful of, stress. And also take something like the pressure and pulse tonic that is dropping this Friday that's going to help alleviate symptoms related to high blood pressure, things like chest pain, difficulty breathing, headache, fatigue, all of those things. And it's going to give you a healthy heart, okay? So whether you have high or low blood pressure, whether you are suffering from high cholesterol, or you just want to maintain a healthy heart because that shit runs in the family and you are not trying to get diagnosed with no high blood pressure, then the pressure and pulse tonic is safe for you as well. Be on the lookout this Friday, May 21st, pressure and pulse. Peace and love.